Okay, guys, we're back. Now it takes turn to guess what? Vocabulary. So we're gonna go on now with vocabulary lesson 5. Remember what you have to do. You have to write word, sentence, illustration, and definition. And this is related to a story, a very fun, and I love this story because when I read it, guys, I really think you're gonna find it very interesting because I love suspense. And you're gonna find out about a boy that really likes to do that. He likes to solve crimes and solve suspense stories. So we're gonna see right now the first 3 words in our list. And the first one is amphibians. I love amphibians, guys. I love to talk about science. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals with backbones and bare skin. Amphibians are frogs, toads, and salamanders. Those are amphibians. They have backbones, okay? A sentence that you can use with amphibians is I love frogs. They belong to the amphibians family. Okay? Remember, you have to illustrate your sentences. You can do it very nice. I know it. Okay, number 2, it is crime, a violation of law. And the sentence can be who committed a crime. That can be a sentence for crime. And our number 3 sentence is exhibit, thing or things shown publicly. And I wrote down a sentence for you that says, they will exhibit the new cars in the presentation. You can use. So those are the first 3 the words in our list. They are 8 in a row. So let me erase and continue with the other 3. Okay, we're back. And now it takes turn to lizards. In the story we're gonna find out about, they are talking about this type of animals in the story we're gonna read about from lesson 5. So here it says reptiles with long bodies and tails. Those are lizards. Look at that lizard. It has a movable tail. You can write that as a sentence. And reference, something used for information or help. That is a reference. And a sentence you can use is, can you please give me the reference number? It's something that gives out information. Okay, let's go on with our 3 sentences from vocabulary lesson 5. Okay, guys, we continue with our last 3 words. And here we have the word reptiles. Reptiles, guys. Cold-blooded animals with backbones and lungs. And I wrote down the sentence, I love reptiles. Salamanders. The story we're going to read about, I told you, is about something to be solved with a salamander. So what is a salamander? Any of numerous animals shaped like lizards. I don't know if you have seen salamanders. Have you seen salamanders? They are creepy, a little bit creepy. Salamanders can be dangerous if you attack them. Those are the salamanders. And the word stomped. The word stomped is something that is puzzled. Another synonym of stomped can be something that is hard to be baffled or to understand, or something that if you take it as a verb, maybe it can be something that is hard to be stiffly and noisy. And when you make a question and you have a problem to answer it, that's why I put the president seemed to be stumped by the question. So maybe they ask you a question, you go like and then you stump. You understand? That is to be stumped, is to be puzzled. So guys, these are the 8 words of the vocabulary lesson 5. You have to copy them down in your notebooks. Please illustrate them and have them as the most beautiful you can do them, okay? So let's go on with our next subject, guys. Please Stay blessed. I love you.